way round this roundabout. We're coming back on ourselves here. So A640. Maybe 2 miles to go. We want Hay Lane. It's an awkward turning. From this direction it's easy. Trying to go the other way, it's a tight hairpin. Motorway. This bridge has got traffic lights at the moment. It's not very far now. The turning is difficult to see, so take it easy, don't overshoot. It's just a bit awkward. Straight on down this little road. Don't go down Pinfold Lane. This is the continuation of Hay Lane. Under the motorway, tunnel under the motorway, and we turn immediate left. This is the road to the dam. People sometimes park trailers up here. There's the motorway if you want to jump over the fence. I don't know how that goes down well, you know, parking your ambulance here or something. Obviously there's advertising wagons. So this is the entry. Can't see it very well. Green gate is the entry down to the paddock. So I'll just go a little bit further, not getting these people away. Yorkshire Water are on site. So there you go. Scammonden Dam. Okay.